So today, we rent out a room in the house and we decided to take things outside, right?
Okay.
Okay. So let's see what we could build. Ah. Alright, so today turned out to be a big fail. Setting up Hot Wheels outside takes much more planning than I thought. A lot more planning. You want the cars? I have to deal with that. Ooh, I like this one, the purple car. But yeah, so come say bye. Today was a big fail. We're a little bit disappointed. Yeah, we're disappointed in ourselves. Can you say bye?
Bye.
Yeah, bye.
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 Bye.